Have you ever been walking through the city and all of a sudden you've been stricken by hunger and you look around and you don't see anything that screams delicious food here? Well, we don't have that problem here in Colombia. Some of the best food in this country is literally on wheels, and it can come to you or you can go to it. So we're gonna go explore that scene today. So grab a beer and a snack so you can eat along too, and let's go see what we can fill our stomachs with. Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Imagine Travel 24/7. I'm Sam, and today we are in downtown Villavicencio looking for some food. So we're gonna explore this street food scene here today. I don't know about you, but I am starving. Who knows what we're gonna find? I'm sure we can find some empanadas, maybe some arepas, fresh fruit, juice, and a whole assortment of other things. The mask law in Colombia is very strict. The police are very strict about making sure people are wearing masks in crowded places such as downtown. Throughout this video, you will probably see me wearing a mask, so I'll do my best, and I hope we can find something delicious. Let's go see what we can find. So it's very hot today, and I think the first thing we're gonna go and find is something cold. And I see something called Lula Fruit, called Lula, with some ice and ice cream. Delicious. We got Lula. It's got a special fruit that I've only seen here in Colombia called lulo. It might exist somewhere else, but I don't know. Ice cream, ice, and a lot of juice. It's sour, it's sweet, and delicious. Perfect for a very hot day. So the next bit of street food we were able to find is green mango. In the US, we usually like to eat our mango golden and very juicy, but here in Colombia, the mango is usually green. It's a little more sour and kind of has the consistency of an apple, but it's very refreshing and very delicious. So this green mango has limon mandarina, which is like a lime and a mandarin mashed together. It's pretty delicious. It's sweet and sour at the same time. And this also has black pepper and salt on it. That's very refreshing. It's a good change of pace. A little salty, a little sour, and a little sweet. Cheers! One of the staple foods here in Colombia is called the empanada. As you can see here, this one is pretty big. They can be filled with anything from beef, chicken, pork, potatoes, rice, fruit. It's one of the foods that you can be super creative with. So do whatever you want. This one is with chicken. So let's just break it open and take a look. Oh, chicken and rice. Check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and give this one a taste, and we'll rate this empanada on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm pretty well versed in empanadas by now after living in Colombia for such a long time, so let's give it a try. Oh my god, okay. So it's good, I like it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd go ahead and give this empanada a 4.5, because it's a little cold, and the chicken and the rice is a little dry, but overall, it's a decent empanada. something called an Arepa Pizza. The arepa is the staple food of Colombia. If the staple food of Mexico is tortilla, the arepa is the staple food of Colombia. You can be extremely creative with this. You can put fruit inside, chicken, pork, beef, whatever you want. This one I think has ham, bacon, and maybe cheese inside. So let's take a taste. Oh, look at that. Very good. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's fantastic. That's a good idea for an arepa pizza. With a lot of cheese and a lot of bacon. Perfect. It's a super hot day here in Villavicencio, so one of the good things to find is this granizado frappe. It's frozen ice and it's fruit. This one is mora, which is blackberry. That'll always bring a smile to your face. We just bought some meat from the meat cart, and this is called Memona. It comes from a young cow, not a fully grown adult cow, and it's very juicy and very soft. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this. It's served in a banana leaf, as you can see here, and it also comes with some spicy salsa. So that's always delicious. I love this stuff. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. Okay, so we've got the meat, the Memona beef, we've got yuca, and we've got potatoes. You just cannot beat that. Let's take a bite and see how it is. Okay. Cheers. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Smoked beef. That is very delicious. Thank you, Villavicencio. So Villavicencio is known as the door to the plains. You come in down off the Andes Mountains, and right there at the stop of the Andes Mountains, you've got the plains, and that's where Villavicencio is. And here there's a very large agricultural economy, and so you can always find delicious meat. Beef and pork and chicken here in this city. Another thing I love about Colombia is you can drink beer pretty much anywhere. We just went into one of these little stores off the street and bought this local beer, Andina, and after eating that meat, we're gonna sit down and just refresh ourselves with this beer. Very good. Colombia has some good beer. So we just bought a street cappuccino, and we're gonna see how this tastes. Ooh, it's very hot, but it's sweet. Tastes like a decent enough cappuccino. So Colombia is actually the flower capital of the world. If you buy flowers in the US or in Europe, most likely your flowers came from right here in Colombia. Check out this beautiful bouquet we just bought in this flower shop. You can find just about any kind of flowers you want here in Colombia. Blue is a pretty exotic color, but Colombia has a fantastic assortment of flowers. No matter what the occasion or what you're looking for, you can find good, beautiful, very good smelling flowers here in Colombia. Welcome back home. Thank you for joining us on our street food tour of downtown Villavicencio. As we were filming this episode downtown, we quickly realized that it was very noisy and we needed to get a lapel mic. So we picked one up and we've got it here, and we'll certainly be using this on future videos. We realized that the audio in this video is a little difficult to hear, and I sincerely apologize for that. Please stick with us. I promise every week our videos will get better and better. If you have any future videos that you would like to see about Colombia, leave a comment down below, and if it's something that we can make, we'll make it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, I understand. We can always improve, and we look forward to seeing you again. Wherever you are in this magnificent world, we'll see you next week.